Transparency in trading? Ha! That's like finding a unicorn that also trades crypto. Everyone talks about it, but no one's actually doing it. Today, we're flipping the script and diving into something revolutionary, building a community of traders who don't just win, they win together. No secrets, no BS, just raw, unfiltered collaboration. Buckle up. Let's talk about the lone wolf trader. You know, the one sitting in their dark room, hunched over charts, convinced they're the next Warren Buffett. That was me once. And let me tell you, it's lonely, it's stressful, and more often than not, it's downright unproductive. The truth is, when you trade in isolation, your perspective is as narrow as that tiny sliver of daylight you see through your blackout curtains. You become trapped in your own bad habits, and guess what? The market is more than happy to exploit them. But trading doesn't have to be a solitary struggle. Imagine a team, a group of traders with different strengths and perspectives all working together. That's where the magic happens. Here's the thing. Collaboration is your ultimate edge in trading. Think about it. How many times have you stared at a chart and missed something obvious? Happens to the best of us, but in a community, someone's always there to spot what you don't see. Let me give you an example. Last month, a trader in our Road to a Million community flagged a divergence on a currency pair. I wasn't even looking at it, but their insight opened my eyes to a killer opportunity. We all traded it. And guess what? It paid out. That's the power of many eyes, many brains, and no egos. When you're part of a transparent community, you get more than just tips or trade ideas. You get accountability. You're not just learning from your mistakes, you're learning from everyone else's. And in this game, that's priceless. Let's address the elephant in the room. Why is transparency so rare in trading? Simple, because it forces you to be real. And being real means owning your wins and your losses. Most people would rather sell you a fantasy than show you the truth. But here's the thing. Transparency isn't just about honesty, it's about trust. When you share your trades, your thought process, and even your screw-ups, you create an environment where people know they can count on you. That's what builds a real community, not flashy profits, but shared accountability. And let's be clear, this isn't about charity. It's about creating an ecosystem where everyone gets better because we're all pulling each other up. Let me tell you about the Road to a Million Club. This isn't just some catchy name, it's a movement. We don't do paywalls, secret sauce strategies, or any of that guru nonsense. Every trade, every strategy, every win, every loss, it's all out in the open. Picture this. You log in, you see live trades happening in real time, you see strategies dissected, broken down and explained. No fluff, no ego trips, just real traders helping each other level up. One of our members recently shared a trade idea that I thought was nuts. It was a high-risk setup, but they laid out their logic so clearly that it made sense. We discussed it as a group, tweaked the risk, and it turned out to be a banger. That's the kind of collaboration that happens when you trade in a transparent, ego-free zone. Now imagine if you were part of a community like that. How much faster could you learn? How many fewer mistakes would you make? And let's be honest, how much more fun would trading be? If you're still trading alone, let me ask you this. How's that working out for you? Be honest. Because the reality is, the market is ruthless. It doesn't care how smart you are or how much time you spend on TradingView, but a community, that's your safety net. Now, finding the right community is key. You don't want a group that's just pumping signals or flexing their profits. You want a space where people are open, honest, and committed to learning. And if you can't find one, start one. Be the leader who creates the environment you wish you had. So, here's the takeaway. Trading is not a solo sport. The traders who win consistently aren't the ones hoarding secrets. They're the ones who collaborate, share, and grow together. Transparency is the foundation, and community is the multiplier. If this resonates with you, stop wasting time. Join a community, build one, or, if you're serious about leveling up, check out the Road to a Million Club. No paywalls, no fluff, just real traders trading real markets. Let's win together. And if you're still on the fence? Well, let me remind you of this. The lone wolf starves, but the pack eats. Your call. See you next time.